Hello friends, today we are going to learn basics about French language. So let's get started. So now I will give some information about France in French language. Number 1. Paris. Paris is the capital of France and it is the biggest city in France. Number 2. La baguette, the long French bread. Le drapeau, le français. It is the flag. La tour l'Eiffel, the tallest structure in France. Le français. It is the French language. Le vin. Vin is wine. Le croissant. It means croissant. Le fromage. It means cheese. So here we are done with the introduction of France. Now we will see neighboring countries of France. First one, Spain. Spain is called l'Espagne. Second, Italy. Italy is called l'Italie. Third one, Switzerland. It is called as la Suisse. Fourth one, Belgium. La Belgique. Now we will see cities in France. Paris, the largest city of France. Lyon, the city that is famous for its food. Marseille, the oldest city of France. Toulouse, known for its business centers. Nice, known for its tourist attractions. Nantes, known for its coastlines. Strasbourg, known for its gardens. Bordeaux, known for its vineyards. We are done with the cities of France. Now we will see the identity card in French. It is called as fiche d'identité in French. So let's start. Nom. Nom means your surname. Prénom means your name. Date de naissance means your birthday or when you were born. Âge. Âge means your age. Nationality means your nationality. Profession means your profession. Portable means your phone number. There is a different way to write your phone number. After every 2 digits, you have to write a full stop. Adresse means address. So with this, we have finished our identity card.
You can watch variety of different type of videos on my channel. Whichever topic interests you, you can go into playlists and play that video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button given below this video. Also click on the bell icon to receive notifications on my latest videos.